घरची सोबीतकाय वाडोवपी सामान म्हळ्यार सोफा, कदेलां सयत हेर सजावटीच्यो वस्तू तुमकां एकाच सुवातीचेर मेळटल्यो. ही सुवात म्हळ्यार महोगनी. राजधानी पणजेंत महोगनी दुकान उक्तें जालां. हांगासर घर सजावटीच्यो साबार वस्तू तुमकां मेळटल्यो. शाळा, इन्स्टिट्यूटा खातीर लागपी फर्निचर तशेंच ऑफिस फर्निचर महोगनीन उपलब्ध आसा.
Yeah, we are over here is opening our store today. It's called Mahogany. We're basically into interior products. Anything you need for interiors, we are here. Even if you don't have something, we make it a point that we can organize it for you. Right from floorings, we deal with vinyl floorings, wooden flooring, engineered wood flooring, SPC floorings, as well as customized sofas, pictures, wallpapers, art, and whatever you need in the interiors. Furniture also be customized as per whatever you need. We deal with our office chairs also over here, and a lot of things. So one point stop for all interior needs. That's what we are looking for. That from the home will be extending our services a little bit also for school furniture as well, office chairs as well as institutional furniture as well. In due course of time, and extending our line of products as well as that.
गोवा 365 खातीर श्यामचारी.